Hello and welcome to the channel. I wanted to show you a little video on how to make some fake books and a bookshelf. Perhaps something you could use for your next Halloween party or home haunt. Now the video I'm going to show you is actually part of a larger video that you can find in our library. It's under Halloween Shop Talk. And basically it's a longer video of when Aaron and I got together over at his house where he has the Halloween parties, where he hosted the Haunted Mansion party. And he still has a lot of the props set up there, so we had went through there and we kind of shot some video on how we made each of the props. So the video that I'm going to show you now is actually Aaron describing how he made the fake books and the bookshelf for the Haunted Mansion. So take a look and I hope you enjoy.
So what we have here, we have your standard bookshelf. For the books, I bought this foam. It's a pretty hard foam. I used an X-Acto knife to cut it. You can buy a hot wire knife on Amazon. I chose not to. X-Acto knife will work. And acrylic paint. Acrylic paint is important because it covers and it dries pretty quick. For some of the finer detail on the books, I use paint markers. They sell them in various thicknesses and widths. You can buy fine point, wide point, obviously various colors. I would advise more colors the better because you get a wider variety of various books to make it authentic. We chose to go with a couple books in our shelf are real books. The Grimm Brothers is a real book. The Handbook for the Recently Deceased, it's from a popular movie. War of the Worlds by H.G. Wells, it's a very known book. Then you just add like little details. These candles, they're battery operated light candles. These little mice, you can buy them at your local dollar store. But you really want to focus on the details. The bookshelf itself is fine, but the details will make it.